Good morning, students. I am Nabiullah Siddiqui, your computer teacher. So, in my previous video, I started chapter 1 and some of the topics I covered in the up to the last video, which are internet, history of internet, uses, advantages, disadvantages, protocols, and the type of internet access, some internet related terminologies. So, today I shall be telling you about domain name and addresses, that is IP address and detail of IP address. So after watching today's video, you will be able to explain what do you mean by domain name, why it is required, what is IP address. So let's start. Here it is, domain name and address. So there is no central administration of internet with millions of users. It was almost impossible to differentiate or address them. An addressing system was designed by the Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF). This addressing scheme assigns name and numbers both to identify the computers on the internet. Means every computer on the internet has its name and its address, numerical address number. So these names are called domain names and numbers are called IP addresses. Every computer system on internet has both a domain name and IP address. So with the help of an example, we will try to understand what is the logic behind this. So there are millions of telephones in the world, yet each number has been assigned a different number. Each phone number is the combination of country code, area and a phone number which is unique. Means no duplicacy. Unique means every number is unique and one of its kind. So similarly, each computer on the internet is identified with by its unique IP address. The computer or server on the internet is also known as host, and IP address is called the host address. So what do you mean by IP address? So here we will discuss something about IP address. An IP address is made up of 32 bit number. So it is 32 bits of a number. Bits means a binary digit. So there are 32 binary digits which comprises of 0 and 1s. So for example, here we are having 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 double 1 double 1 0 double 0 double 0 double 1. So this number will always be thought to remember, but no one can remember these number for multiple computers. So therefore it has been divided into 4 8-bit segments. 4 8-bit means 4 cross 8, that is 32. So that number, that 32 bits are divided into 8-bit segments. Each 8-bit segment is called octet. Likewise, a number is divided into 8-bit 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. So here it is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Next is 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. Again it is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Then 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. These 8 bits are separated by the dots. Here a dot, here a dot, here and a dot here. So these octets are separated by the dots. So with the smallest 8-bit number is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, which is totally 0, and the largest number is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and which is equal to 255 in decimal number system. So for example, here is some description about IP address. Each IP address has two parts. First is network address, second is local address or the host address. So the first octet in 4 segment represent first octet in the 4 segment. It represents the network address, and rest 3 octets make up the host address. Every computer on the internet has its own unique IP address. For example, the VSNL server at Delhi, New Delhi, has an IP address 202 point or dot 54.15.1. The leftmost digit means the octet 202 represents the world's largest network, and the rightmost digit octet 1 describes the actual network. So this is the network address and it is the host address. So this is about the IP address. So what we have covered in today's video: domain name, domain naming and address, IP address, and IP address in 2 parts. First is network address and second is local address. So I hope all the concept explained today you are getting very well. If you are having any doubt, you can ask always into the group. And thanks for watching.